Today we welcome Justin Tutt here, otherwise known as the man in the black chucks, back to our school to assist us with making sure that we're promoting anti-bullying in the school environment, as well as just being a good citizen all around. We've had Justin here the last 3 years, and we think that his presence here and being able to keep it real with our students has really helped out as far as our school culture and climate. And the more we can educate our students and the more that we can provide them with the knowledge about the difference between bullying, harassment, and just the different components in general, hopefully the better school environment and the climate we'll have here at the school. So we thank you for coming back out again. It's always a pleasure, and we look forward to having you again in the future. Thanks.